If you received a bottle of resin, but can't find a matching profile to start with, good news, you can create your own. How to create personal parameters. Open Satellite and let's go through it step by step. Click Add Device to create a new machine, or choose one from device history if you've used it before. Click Create Profile to get started. You can rename the resin and customize your printing settings. Once everything looks good, just click Apply. Next, you can import your model. If you have multiple resin profiles, you can switch between them anytime. Just use the profile selector in the top right corner. Once you're ready, just slice the model and print it. Don't forget to upload it to save it to your personal library. Open the resin profile page, select your resin profile, then right-click and choose Cloud Upload. If you want to set up a new printer or add another resin profile to an existing one, just follow these steps. Return to Start, click Add Device, or choose one from Device History. Then choose Add Resin. Pick the profile you want from your personal cloud library. Click Load Selected. Finally, click Apply to start slicing. Want to share your successful settings with the community? Absolutely. After completing 20 slices with this resin, go back to Start, enter Home, and open Personal Library. Next, click Send to enter the resin details page. Fill in your actual printing data, upload a photo of the resin bottle, and add photos of your printed models to the results section. After publishing, your profile will be reviewed. You can check the approval status in the notification panel. Ready to create your own resin profile? Let's give it a try.